Blinking light returned. On compact. Let's see if we get some light. Yeah. Blinking light. What I'm going to do is use a method called the hair dryer method to reinstall it. Yeah. It's blinking again. Now, my procedure, and this is just a regular compact machine, but I'll pull it up a little further. I'll drop my flashlight. Okay. Oh, yeah. It's blinking. It should be a solid color. I'll get into my trusty bag of tricks here and pull out the number one tool in the world. Now, take this. First, of course, plug in the and then using the blow dryer. On a hot spot. Takes about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Good process, right? That's right. Now, clean. So, now there's one solid color. That's it, babe. Thank you. And now, we will try and boot the machine. Blam, biddity, blam, blam. 3-minute fix on how to fix your computer using a hairdryer. Thank you. Nope.